Hi everybody. So for writing today, we are going to take what we did yesterday, and I drew my picture of my chore of washing dishes that I don't really like to do, but I have to do because I want my clean dishes. So first I had my dirty dishes from my table. Then I put them in the sink, I washed them, and then I dried them. Okay, so today we're going to write our sentences. So I just got a piece of my paper and let's write our name at the top. There's my short way, Mrs. T. And if you notice, these pages are different. So it just has the lines here. That means we can write more, but I'm going to start on the very top line and I'm going to write my sentence right here. So I'm going to start with the word first. What do I need to start with? A capital letter. So I'm going to start with my capital F. First, I took and I need to remember to put my finger spaces. I did put them, but I didn't say that. So my finger space, my, it's a sight word, my, so I should know that. Now, I just have a tiny bit of space right here, so I'm probably not going to have enough room to write my next words. So I said, first I took my, now I could just write dishes and that would be okay, but I'm going to add some more details. So I'm going to say dirty dishes. So dirty, I don't have room there. Now, I'm going to leave a space here. I could write on this line, but I'm going to leave a space so that I have enough room to write. Okay, so I'm going to go to this next line. Dirty. Dirty. Barely see my dirty what? Dishes. Not my clothes. Dishes. Shh. Remember what that is? Shh. S-H. Dish. As. First, I took my dirty dishes, finger space, to. Now I could try to write my the right there, but there's not quite enough space. So I'm going to skip my next line and I'm going to write the. Where? To the bathroom? To my bedroom? No, to the sink. Now that's the end of my sentence, so I need to put a period at the end. Then I'm going to go back and I'm going to draw my picture of that. So I have, let's have my table. Remember, I have a round table. And I have, let's do a purple. I wonder why. A purple plate. I didn't really use a purple plate. And a little bit of sauce or food or whatever it is. And then I have, do I have a gray in here? Where's my gray? There it is. Ugh. Is that my gray? Let's see. There's my gray. So, my fork, my spoon, my knife, and What did I have? I had lemonade. That's right. My cup. My lemonade that I had a little bit left. I should have finished that. My purple straw. Actually, I don't have purple straws right now. Go down into there. All right, so that's not showing it taking it to the sink, but those are my dirty dishes that I need to take to the sink. Okay, so that's all we're doing for today. Tomorrow we'll write our next sentence.